To clean the pool cleaner, very simple. Carefully flip it over on his back. There are 2 tabs. Just use your thumb to pull them in. And the top of the cleaning unit comes off. Put that aside. Now you just take the filters out. Note that the crisscross is on the outside. Just take them out, hose them off. When they're clean, put them back in. Replace them in the cavity. Put the lid on. Carefully push it closed, and it's ready to go again.